Demystifying Lay Down in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of English phrases and unravel the meaning behind the term, lay down. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how and when to use this phrase in your everyday conversations. The words, lay, and down, can be understood individually. Lay usually refers to the act of placing something somewhere, while down typically indicates a direction. Together, lay down can have a very literal meaning, which is to place something in a downward direction or on a surface. For example, I need to lay down the book on the table. Just like many English phrases, lay down isn't just limited to its literal sense. It has several idiomatic uses. 1. Lay down the law. This means to state something forcefully or to enforce rules strictly. 2. The teacher decided to lay down the law about talking during class. 3. Lay down one's life. This means to sacrifice one's life for a cause or for another person. 4. He was willing to lay down his life for his country. 5. Lay down a challenge. This means to present a task or challenge for someone to undertake. 6. She laid down a challenge to her competitors to beat her record. One common point of confusion is the difference between lay down and lie down. While they sound similar, they have different uses. Lay down, as discussed, often refers to placing something down. She laid down her pen after finishing the test. Lie down refers to a person or animal reclining or getting into a horizontal position. I'm tired, I need to lie down for a bit. English can indeed be a tricky language, with phrases like lay down having multiple meanings and usages. However, with a bit of practice and understanding, you'll master them in no time. We hope this video has clarified the phrase for you. Keep practicing and remember, the more you use it, the more natural it'll feel. Happy learning!